Submitting documents to Venmo for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Access your Venmo account. Log into your Venmo account using the mobile app or website. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can usually be found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the Settings option from the menu. Step 3. Find Document Submission section. Look for the section related to account verification or document submission. This may be labeled as verification, account approval, or similar. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. This may include identification, proof of address, or other requested information. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review the information for accuracy and confirm your submission. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your documents have been received. Once you have completed these steps, you can wait for Venmo to review your documents and approve your account. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support.